Namaste everyone. I am Santosh Kumar, founder and managing director of the Shield. Are you running an educational institution? Are you ready to take charge of your student safety? Presenting Shakti, an empowering initiative by the Shield, a transformative 6-day workshop tailored for school and college students. Shakti goes beyond conventional training. It is not karate, it is not kung fu, it is real life self defense designed to prepare you for the unexpected. And what does this workshop include? Anti-rape self-defense, anti-molestation, anti-kidnapping techniques, situational reaction training to handle real-life threats, using common objects as weapons. Your everyday items can really save your life. First aid training to help you and others in emergencies. And that's not all. Upon completion, you will receive a certificate of achievement to showcase your readiness and your skills. Why Swashakti? Let me tell you why you choose Swashakti. Because safety is your right and preparedness is your strength. Empower yourself with practical and actionable techniques in just 6 days. Hurry up. Contact me, Santosh Kumar, and please call up for the number given below. Thank you so much. Namaste.